Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well and being safe. So I want to start this video off with a joke, preferably a Disney joke. What Disney character can count the highest? Buzz Lightyear, because he can count to infinity and beyond. Yes, I know, terrible jokes, but you know what? Those are fun jokes. This pandemic has been, kind of tiring on everyone, and I understand that, myself included. With this pandemic, I have lost a few different things and could possibly lose a little bit more. So the first thing I lost was, of course, I lost hockey. We had about 10 games left in the season before they canceled it. Literally, not even kidding. We had a Wednesday game right 2 days before they canceled. It started putting out stay-at-home orders and stuff like that, and everyone started, getting a realization of how bad this was. Sadly, this was my last season with the Comets. I won't be working there in the fall because, of course, I have the Disney College program going on. It sucks that this is how my last season ended. I really hope that we would go out on a bang and probably win a championship, but there's not much that we can do. Going on to the next thing that I got affected by was once campus closed at school, I have a internship at school, so with the athletic department, and that obviously if you don't have athletics for professional sports, you're definitely not going to have athletics for college. So it ended up being that I lost the internship, sort of. I did get my 5 hours in, technically, because we had to figure out something, but I would have been doing, baseball games, anything like that, and it would have been fun. One major thing that is in jeopardy in the future, of course, as all of you already know, because I announced it to all of you, but is the Disney College program. So I'm supposed to go down, I'm supposed to fly in on the 16th of August, and my check-in day is the 17th. Hopefully, that still happens, because with everything going on, I'm not sure yet. The reason I say I'm not sure is because I'm a fall participant, so I go from August until January. There is what is known as Fall Advantage. Fall Advantage is from May/June to January, and sadly their program got canceled completely because with most of the stay-at-home orders being issued into May, they had announced a couple weeks ago that they didn't want to take the chance of sending everyone down because they just didn't know when they would be able to arrive. So sadly, there's not much the company can do, but now I just have to look forward to mine, because as much as I am saddened for all the Fall Advantage participants, I have to stay positive for mine. So hopefully I get to create magical moments for all the guests to come, and maybe some of you guys if you do ever come down. But hopefully I'm able to stay there for quite some time.